Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will show how to cook medium tapioca pearls. First, bring 8 cups of water to a rolling boil in a large pot. Then, carefully add 1 cup of medium tapioca pearls. Stir them gently to ensure they don't stick to each other or the bottom of the pot. Once stirred, cover the pot and reduce the heat to a steady medium-low. This initial step is crucial for even cooking. Now let's get those pearls perfectly cooked. Simmer them for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. You'll notice them becoming mostly translucent, with just a tiny white dot in the center. After this, turn off the heat completely. Keep the pot covered and let the pearls rest for an additional 15 minutes. This crucial resting time ensures they cook all the way through, achieving that ideal chewy texture. Once rested, it's time to prepare them for serving. First, drain the cooked tapioca pearls using a fine mesh sieve. Next, rinse them thoroughly under cold running water for about 1 minute. This step is super important as it washes away any excess starch, preventing the pearls from clumping together. Finally, transfer the rinsed pearls to a bowl and mix them with your preferred sweetener, like a simple syrup or brown sugar. Your perfectly cooked tapioca pearls are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately in your favorite bubble tea, milk tea, or dessert. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container. Make sure to cover them with a simple syrup to keep them from hardening and sticking together. For the best texture and flavor, try to consume any stored pearls within 1 to 2 days. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.